How to fix Play Store when it's not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store when it's not working on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again. Now just type here Play Store and here you will find it. Click on it and then just go to storage and clear cache and then go to permissions. Now just allow everything here and go back and then just check it again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back to settings, apps again, and go to Play Store and then just go to storage and click this one here, clear data, and click OK, and then restart your phone, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.